Alright, what is going on, guys? We're now gonna fix up the ignition system. So we have the whole steering column in the trunk. We're we're gonna take off this mess of wires. I have no idea what any of these go to, but this is all hot wired right here. Super ghetto and super jank. And take off this stupid air freshener too. This thing just gets in the way. Yeah, this thing is extremely jank. I have no. Oh, so this is Ethan. This is just a thing for the key, right? This is RFID.
I'm just replacing all that.
Okay.
Fuckery.
Yes. It is.
Yeah. Here, let me just cut that thing off real quick.
Okay.
Oh, it looks so hacked, dude.
Dude, it's pretty.
So fucked.
Oh, the zip tie that you used.
Yep.
Okay.
The roadside zip tie.
Literally. From Target.
Oh
Holy cow! It's not held in by anything else.
Shit. Well, there's the OBD port.
Oh, that's OBD too.
Is that where you scanned it from?
I didn't scan it at all.
Yeah, that's where the OBD port is.
Is it supposed to be locked into somewhere?
Yeah, obviously. Look, most of these wires don't go to. Oh fuck, bro. Is it all in the chassis side?
Wait. At least it has.
Dude, it's in the chassis side. It's in the. Not in the chassis side. That's sick.
That's good. So it was spliced in post.
Exactly.
Exactly. Female.
Sick. We don't need to do any software.
Oh my god, dude.
Let's
Dude, that would have been.
Let's grab the other column and try.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so me and Ethan found this
Fuckery.
Yeah. What if, there's LED lights that were hooked into the ignition system.
Just tied to it. Yeah.
No, where was it hooked into?
It was hooked into the key.
Oh, it was hooked into the key?
Yeah, but it wasn't working.
But it didn't work because it had no power. Okay, whatever. We're getting rid. This is all garbage.
Yeah, all that.
Literally, probably never gonna.
No,
What if we sell it to some?
Say the word probably.
Okay.
It needs to be burned.
So it must be burned. Maybe we'll sell it to a kid with a 323 that wants to slide his car and have a race car style ignition system. So if there's any 16-year-old kids that just picked up their fresh 323 and want to weld the diff and slide it, and they want a jank ignition system, hit me up.
Film what we did. I'm gonna eat a little bit.
Okay, yeah. So Ethan got out this. What is this? The whole ignition.
Ignition tumbler.
It was just.
Everything.
Yes.
Get that shit out of there.
All right, there we go. That's what we think of this. Yeah, give it some. Yeah. Is that good? Fries nice.
Turn signal stock.
Did the turn signal delete BMW owners now? We don't need those anymore. Turn around real quick.
Oh yeah, check it out.
Oh,
Yep,
dude.
some JDM merch.
Some JDM merch,
Two
bro.
sizes too small for me.
Really? So
I mean,
it's a what's it called?
Bomber?
Bomber. So isn't it supposed to be small?
Yeah, I don't know. It's actual JDM sizing, so it's supposed to be an XL, but it's like a US
Oh,
medium, so.
That's
okay.
a Japanese XL.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really funny.
Yeah. That's as big as they get in Japan, bro. That's about it.
Squeezing in.
That's about it, bro. Yeah. So as you guys know, we have a Raider sticker. I don't even watch football, but we got a Raider sticker, and we got this this grenade sticker that Griffin's removing right now.
This sticker's been on for too long. It's outlived its due.
Put on in 2012. Stayed there. Yeah.
Stay goofing off, bro.
What is this too? Do you know what this is, Ethan?
I think it's from the seatbelt rubbing on it.
It looks like someone burned it.
Dude, that looks weird.
It looks bad.
Maybe it's sat on one side of the sun.
You're sure that these are sellable? These seats? Cause
I mean, they're sellable. It's not for that much.
okay. Will they be enough to fund like one bucket seat?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's sellable to me. Sure.
Oh, we're good then. Yeah. All right. Maybe I'll just trade Ethan for like an M50, some manifolds or something like that.
Certainly more than M50, but we'll see what happens.
Oh, dude, my order for the Cusco Vios 3 got canceled.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
They didn't actually have them in stock.
Oh, they didn't?
Nah. So I got Zeta 4s, which are still cool, but.
You got Zeta 4s?
I'll show you a picture of what they look like.
First time using the angle grinder. We gotta.
It is not the first time using a grinder.
I've never used one, so I'm letting Ethan. Yeah, I know. Just blows up. That was really clean. We gotta get this one. Just like this one, the old one. This is an OBD1 module.
Griffin, can you put your foot here just to hold it so it stays stable?
Okay.
Yeah. Don't push too hard because it's gonna break that.
Hey, don't fuck up the
Turn signal,
Nikes, bro.
Or the turn signals.
Don't fuck up my blazers.
Yeah.
Let's hope that's enough.
You want this?
Huh? No, I'm okay. Yeah, thanks, though, bro.
So I think it needs to be widened a little bit too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it looks nice.
Now Ethan's trembling this steering column lock that we had to cut. Here's the Dremel turned all the way up. Turn it up.
Making that joke, bro.
Turn it up. Turn it up.
Turn it up.
Turn it up. Turn it up.
Turn it up, bro. We didn't have to bang or hit that steering column, so
No.
yeah, it fit 100%. We tried to do a little drumming.
No modification was needed.
Just a little.
No hammering of the
Nothing.
M3 steering column was done. Alright, action.
Alright. Alright guys, Ethan just put together the steering column. It works now, it even locks. He found the locking mechanism that we didn't hit and make work. So it all worked out. And got the RFID key and got the key from the original one, right?
Yeah. Well, the parts car.
From the parts car. Wait, hold on. Let me just give 1 sec. Okay. Dude, everything works now. The windows work. Oh shit.
Okay,
Yeah. Well, the windows kind of work. The radio works. Intermittently.
Wait, the what? The radio?
The radio works. I think. This still doesn't work.
What?
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Dude, this works.
And that'll tell you your fuel range too.
My fuel range. Wait, I have 183 miles? Is that right, Ethan?
What?
So, because my gas gauge doesn't work all the time.
Yeah,
this is right for sure.
Look, you have a gas gauge now?
Oh,
the gas gauge is gonna work now.
wait.
There's a
Wait,
chance
dude, the
gauge
temp
too.
works.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Ethan fixed everything. What? Holy cow. Dude, literally everything except for
The window.
yeah, works. I'll just keep it rolled up when we get it for. Okay. Currently scanning OBD2. We got a check engine light. We got the
secondary air, bank 1.
secondary air.
Oh, it's fucking secondary air. It means nothing.
Okay.
Bullshit. It's like an emissions stupid thing.
Emissions.
Yeah, it doesn't mean anything.
What is that? Wait, so am I gonna be able to smog it though?
You should be able to. Yeah, that's. If it doesn't, then it's the air pump, but we can replace that. It's not hard.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, let's just drive it now. See if it comes back in a couple days.
Yeah.
That like that. Get in here.
Okay.
Then just chill there.
We don't got door handles. We're gonna see if the speakers work.
Look at that piece of shit over there. What is that thing?
Oh.
Wow, dude.
Yeah, what is that, bro?
Get that piece of
Ew.
shit off his throat.
Wait, Ethan, that's a dead end.
I also put the steering wheel on sideways.
Yeah. The speakers work. Yeah. Shit, banging, bro. Yeah. And the seat's all the way back. Wait, you have to go.
Yo, wait, let me get a shot of you lounging. Look at this shit.
Turn around.
Bro, Eric is riding dirty right now. Holy shit. Damn. Gave this fool €1 car and he doesn't know how to work, how to act, bro.
Can't wait to post my car on TikTok, make a TikTok car build. Right, Ethan?
Hell yeah. Gotta get a heart wheel.
Dude, part wheel, slap a big ass turbo on it. Dude, this shit's gonna drift. Wait, okay, don't go that fast, my dear. Yo, the radio's coming out, bro. The radio. You just sent the radio out, bro.
Where's that turn around?
You can just go up and down the street, so hop a left.
Airbag lights on.
It is? Okay. There you go.
Oh man. Where are we going? Right?
Left.
Left?
Yeah, left.
Oh! Yeah, what the hell? What the heck was that? It was weird.
Oh my god. Ethan zip tied the bumper too. Holy cow, it's literally like, it's staying on and it looks so much better. We just need to get the blinker, but damn, man. It just looks so much better now. And inside too. I'm so happy right now. So happy. Goodbye, friends. Jeez. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Yesterday was really fun to film. You know, we got a lot of stuff done on the car. Literally, in the span of 2 hours, we accomplished what the previous owner just kind of messed up. So it felt really good. Kind of like it's the first part of the restoration. We actually got most of the stuff on the inside, electronics working, especially the temp gauge. The temp gauge was the #1 thing. But yeah, fun day. Yeah, 2.5 hours. Ethan, Griffin, and I knocked it all out. So big shout out to them. And yeah, next video will be probably me picking up parts. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next vid. Thanks for watching.